Welcome to the cashier training simulation. Here we will go through the front-end operation as a cashier. In this simulation, you will follow the prompts that are displayed on the screen towards your right. Use the prompts to ask the customers what they would like to order.
What can I get for you today?
Can I get a burger?
Now use the item on the point of sale system indicating a burger.
Would you like onions on your burger?
No, thank you.
Now use the item on the point of sale system indicating no onions.
Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please, that sounds great.
Now use the item on the point of sale system indicating fries.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I would like a Diet Coke.
Now use the item on the point of sale system indicating a Diet Coke.
Your total will be $12.20.
Okay, thank you.
Well done. This has been an example of cashier training with a point of sale system. Feel free to go through the experience again or go back to the home page to try a different experience.